Good morning dear students and welcome back to our English grammar class. Today we'll take a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, which is about verbs. Children, it is on page number 50 of our book, and you must have read verbs earlier also, but here in the chapter we will see it in details. Now, what are verbs, children? Verbs are action words. Action words which show that some action is going to happen or which is going to be, or the action which is done. Okay. Now, they are also known as doing verbs. Okay. Now children, can you make any sentence without verb? No. We cannot make any sentence. No sentence is complete without a verb. So verb plays a very important part in our sentence grammar. Okay. Now let us read the sentences. Harry Potter is an orphan. He has a magical clock. Now children, we know that verbs are like studied, reads, cleaning, reading, watching. They all are verbs. Okay, as they show some action. Okay, some action is going on. Okay. Now, but these is, has, was, are, were, they all are also known as verbs. Okay. Now, Harry Potter is an orphan. Now, is also a verb over here. Okay. Why? Because it tells us the state of being of the subject. It tells the state of the subject. Okay. The subject is Harry Potter here, and it is showing that it is an orphan. It is linking both the subject with this thing. It is showing that it is an orphan. He is an orphan. Okay. So it is also known as linking verbs. Okay. Now, see children, the words printed in bold above is, has, was, speaking, was called, played are called verbs. Clear? Now, let us come on to the definition. A verb is a word that is used to denote an action, the condition of the subject, or what is possessed by the subject. Okay, so it shows or it denotes the action, condition, and what is possessed by the subject. Now let us see a few examples. Zoha studied in the night. Okay, now studied is a verb over here. Clear? They all are verb. Like Sana likes, is cleaning, are waiting, the boys are waiting. Now are is also a verb. It is also a verb. Okay. Now children, an exercise is given over here. You have to underline the verbs. Clear? Try to practice these exercises and I will give you answers in the next video. Now, object of a verb. Now what is an object of a verb? Children, object always answers a question what or whom. How? Let us see. Let us read few examples. Like Neha kept the money carefully. Okay. Kept the money carefully. Kept what? Kept what? It indicates the money. What she is keeping? What she kept? Money. Okay. So question here is what, and money is giving the answer. Money is the answer. So this will be the object of the verb. Is it clear? This is a verb. Kept is a verb. Okay. Now kept what? Kept what? If we'll answer the question, it will give us money. The answer will be money. So the object is money. Same way here, Stephen King writes novels. Okay. Writes novels. What he is writing? Novels. Clear? So the answer, see, it is fulfilling the question what, and the answer is novels. So that's why novel will be the object of the verb. Clear children? Now let us come on to the next page. If we ask what or whom after the verb, okay, if a verb is there, like we have seen in these examples, it is a verb. Kept is a verb over here, and after that any question is asked like what or whom. Okay, see, if we ask what or whom after the verb, the answer we get is the object of the verb. Clear? If the verb is there and after the verb question is coming, what, okay, or whom, and if we are getting the answer, then that will be the object of the answer that we get is the object of the verb. I think it is clear. Now this shows that the action in such sentences passes on smoothly to something which call the object of the verb. Now children, in the above examples, kept, is flying and writes are the verbs and they are fulfilling. And see, what are the objects of these sentences? Money, a kite, novels. These are the objects. Why? Because they are answering the question after the verb. Is it clear? Yes. Now, let us come on to kinds of verb.